After the video about the FiiO K13R2R came out, one viewer left a very interesting comment that I want to respond to now. Let me read it to you. What do you use to play music? I didn't understand you. MacBook, then Onarch, Unarch, Roonarch, R2R. Can someone help me out? So guys, we're listening to music through Roon. There's this audiophile program. Let me show you its interface. But to understand what and how everything works, let's take a closer look at everything. The easiest way to listen to music with the FiiO K13R2R is to connect it to your computer with a USB cable. Here I have a USB-C cable and it goes directly into the computer. Then on your computer you open the program you'll use to listen. For example, I have Foobar 2000. And you select the program. Well, not the program, but the output you'll use to listen. That's it, FiiO K13R2R. Now you play any music and that's it. Music will play here and you'll enjoy the sound. But the thing is, in our studio and lab, we have a lot of different devices that are supposed to play. Either simultaneously or at different volumes or one after another. And all of this needs to be switched quickly. Here we have Roland's laboratory with a lot of different speaker systems that he develops and tests. Next door, we also have test samples that customers come in and listen to. For example, here through Roon, we have the FiiO K17 Vim Amp Ultra connected. This little one here fell asleep, Vim Amp Ultra and Rolanda's big speakers. Audio reflector, wireless, 1, 2. All of this is controlled through Roon. For Roon to work, let me tell you what you actually need. What hardware is necessary for Roon to work? First of all, you'll need a good Wi-Fi router that you can connect your devices to via Wi-Fi, as well as with a cable. The most important device is connected with a cable. As you can see, one cable goes to FiiO K17, which is in the main demo hall, and one cable goes to the Mac Mini. The Mac Mini is our main music server. There's a hard drive on top of the Mac Mini. That's where all our music storage is located. And the Mac Mini is used only for audio playback. There's a program installed on it. The program is Roon Server. The Mac Mini is our main device. And from the Mac Mini, the music goes to all the other devices. For example, it goes to the Puccini clock. Macintosh DAC, basically, we connect it wherever we need to. Let me show you how it all looks in the program. Now I'll go over to my workspace. So the program, here is our Roon. This is what the interface looks like, but we need the audio settings. Audio settings, here they are. So take a look. The Roon program sees all the devices we have connected here. For example, specifically the MacBook, to which I have connected the FiiO K13R2R. Here it is, FiiO sees it. Roon sees it. You can turn it on and listen. You can also listen to music at the same time through the MacBook speakers, through external headphones. Here I have headphones connected via the 3.5 jack. Here they are hidden behind my monitor. When I need them for work, I use them. And of course, you can use Roon to send sound to the LG Ultra Gear. That's the monitor I'm showing you right now. Basically, the program lets you stream music simultaneously to any devices it sees on the network. Now let's see what else Roon detects in the system. FiiO K17. This is the device I showed you earlier, the one we have here. It's a streamer that we have in our demo room. And premium Hi-Fi Vim Amp Ultra. Also that small amplifier that fell asleep, the one I woke up. Also Roon sees a whole bunch of different things. All the devices that can play sound and are connected to this network. And everything that's connected here, you can either play at the same time by grouping them together or separately. And all of this is controlled either from your computer or from your phone. Well, from anything you want, whatever you prefer. Well, let me show you. For example, right now I want to play music on the FIO K17, which is in the main demo room. Yes, I select the music. It's now playing. The speakers aren't connected there right now, so playback just started, as you can see. Yes, but we won't hear any sound. Let's open it. Press the group button, and here we can add anything we want to the group, anything we want to hear. And now we already have two devices in the group that are playing at the same time. Now I'll show them to you. Look here. FIO K17 and VM Amp Ultra are playing at the same time. And with all the settings available here, you can make all the speakers in your room play at the same time. What does Roon do for audiophiles? Roon combines all your libraries. Well, take a look. For example, here on the hard drive, we have 4,169 artists, 67,939 tracks, and so on. Roon combines both what we listen to through Tidal and what we listen to from the hard drive. In short, the libraries are merged. You can sort them, create playlists, and so on. An interesting feature is smart playlists. Let me try to find them for you. Aha, here, playlists. When I was testing the FIO K13R2R, I made several smart playlists. Here's one I named High Res 192K hits. So this program lets you create a playlist based on the criteria you set. You can create a playlist with CD tracks, high res tracks, or DSD tracks, MP3 tracks. You can create a playlist of a particular artist or based on a specific song, and so on. In short, the Roon app lets you do whatever you want, wherever you want. What is RoonArc? There was also a question. RoonArc? RoonArc? Yes, RoonArc. Well, RoonArc is an addition to Roon. This program allows you, when installed on your phone or computer, to listen to music from your library even when you're not where your server is located. Well, for example, I listen to my music at the country house, I connect to our server using my phone through the RoonArc app, and I stream music via Bluetooth to my JBL Party Box 120 speaker. That's not an audiophile speaker at all. But the thing is, Roon has excellent tuning capabilities. You can enable a parametric equalizer and adjust the sound the way you want. That's why I tuned my JBL speaker to remove the bass box and bass boost, add more mids, and make it sound really hi-fi. In short, the Roon app lets you make all your devices located in different parts of your rooms play simultaneously in the highest audiophile quality and allows you to very flexibly sort playlists and your music library. If you only have one device, as I said at the beginning, of course you don't need the Roon app. But if you have a setup like ours with Roland, then of course there's no question about it. It's a must-have. And if you want to come and check it out in detail, listen to everything we have, if you want us to explain, teach you, or maybe set up the same thing for you so it's beautiful, clear, and convenient, contact us, come to our studio, our lab. Everything we have on the shelves you can listen to here. That's all for now. This was Arkady Zenin from Premium Hi-Fi, and may the force of the sound that's right for you be with you. Come visit us.